Today, in this video, Dr. Peg Dawson will review what the participants learned in the first session, and will also review what to expect in the second session. For people who completed the first session of the seminar, what do you see as the takeaways from that session?
Okay, I think there are three key points that I tried to cover. First of all, we introduced the web-based platform with instructions for how to use it. I walk people through that. In addition to that, we've created some additional videos that will help people understand how to use the Toolpath platform. And so that's the first part of the seminar. The first stage of coaching is establishing a relationship with the child and gathering background information. And so that's what I cover, the various resource or the various tools that are available to coaches to get to know their kids and to understand their executive skills profile. Most of those tools are on the web-based platform, so we talk about how they can access that. And then at the end, the last part of the seminar, I play an audio tape of a goal-setting interview I conducted with a young man a few years ago, and I talk about the key pieces that I want people to notice. It's not a perfect interview, and actually I'm trying to illustrate you can accomplish something without it being a perfect interview. But I talk about how you establish goals, how you help kids identify obstacles that might get in the way of the goals. And then I show you how you can incorporate information about the individual's executive skills into that interview. As they'll see as they listen to the interview, I start by going over the youngster's strengths, and then we move on to challenges, which is the way to do it, is to start with the strengths and then talk about how they may be able to use those strengths to work around some of their executive skill challenges.
Talk a bit about the focus of the second session, and what do you hope to accomplish in this session?
Okay, good. So in that session, I'm going to start by reviewing homework assignments that have come into me before the second session and try to clear up any confusions, identify sort of the themes that run through the homework assignments that I may want to emphasize. And so I'll cover some of the items that were in the pre-seminar test that I don't think I was clear enough on, because a lot of people have missed those items. Then I'm going to give everyone in the seminar a chance to share their experiences with how the first part of their coaching experience went with the kids that they're working with. And then finally, we'll talk about how to conduct the individual coaching sessions with kids, either face-to-face or using some kind of technology, including the platform. So the real emphasis, I think, from now on will be trying to engage as many people on the seminar as possible in sharing their experiences, because everybody's only coaching one or maybe two kids, but that can multiply by 20. So we'll all learn a lot about coaching from the various experiences that people in the seminar have had.
Well, that sounds wonderful. Well, thank you so much, Peg.